with Crazy Eights Life, and I have a stitch fix for you this morning. I already unboxed it because I was going to do the video yesterday and ran out of time, so I do have the bundle here, and I also get some shoes today, which I'm excited about. I do have one other thing. I am doing a 100 subscriber giveaway right now, so if you want to head on over to that video, I will link it up here. Go check that out and enter to win. Right now we're gonna go ahead and get into this stitch fix. The first thing, of course, that we have is our return envelope mailer. So this is already addressed to go back to Stitch Fix, and it is prepaid. You just have to put the clothing that you don't want into this bag, put it in your mailbox, and the rest is just done for you. So they have a very easy process. I feel like Stitch Fix has great customer service. I've never had any issues with them. They just do an excellent job. And then we also will have the price list here, which I will go over the prices in the video next to the try-on. And then at the end, I'll kind of go over the breakdown of the total cost of the boxes. And if you were to buy all 5 items, you do get a discount of 25% off. So I'll go over what that price would be. So for those of you that don't know, Stitch Fix is a styling service. You fill out a profile stating what your likes and your dislikes are, kind of the things, the items that you want to see, and your stylist will then put together a box of clothing for you. You will get 5 items in every box, and then you can try them on at home and decide what you like, what you want to keep, what you don't like, what you don't like. You send back in your mailer, and what you do like, you just get online and check out and make sure you leave comments about what you liked, didn't like, why, whether it was the fit, the colors, and your stylist will go through all of that and it will help her for the next box. There is also a styling fee. It is $20, but anything that you would purchase from the box, that $20 gets taken off of your total. There also is a style pass. If you want to get more boxes and you don't want to pay the styling fee, then you pay, I think, $40 for the entire year. So you can get as many boxes as you want with no styling fee. I will put all of that information in the description below, along with a link so that you can get a discount on your first Stitch Fix box. Okay, and every box also comes with some outfit suggestions and a stylist note. I'm going to go ahead and read this stylist note for you. And it says, "Hello, Candace. Welcome back to another Fix Day. I loved your last video, as they always brighten up my day. I know you have been looking for a pair of light wash denim and was happy to find you these STS blue skinny jeans to try out. These jeans have a great wash detail and are so easy to wear into the incoming spring season. Speaking of spring, style these jeans with the 41 Hawthorne surplus top for a warmer weather sneak peek that you can wear now with this soft and warm Love Ellie double pocket open cardigan. I read your request for shoes and was inspired to snag you these Report Footwear slip-on sneakers that you can wear with these jeans or your favorite joggers. These sneakers have a slip-on construction, making them a great grab-and-go style for your busy life. Let me know what you think. XO, Megan." And I have had the same stylist for a little while now, and she's amazing. I think that she's done an excellent job at listening to what I'm wanting, and I really, really appreciate it. I'm excited also for the shoes. And yes, my lifestyle is busy, and I am all about this comfort and being able to take off and go. So I'm excited to see how those fit. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and look at the items. This is the cardigan, Love Ellie cardigan. Ooh, sorry. If you can see that. It looks like a nice cardigan. I like that the stripes are vertical. So we'll see. Good neutral colors. I like that. See, it says Anna double pocket open cardigan in tan, medium. It is $48. The next item that we have is, oh my goodness. Okay, there we go. Chaser. Ooh, this is nice and comfy. It's like a hoodie. It's kind of in a lavender. I don't know if you can see this color. I really do like lavender. So it says Sarli textured hoodie knit top. It says light pink. I don't know if it's just my lighting. I feel like maybe it is light pink, but I think it has a little purplish tint. More like a lavender, I think. But it could be my lighting in here. That is retailed for $58. And then we have the, I'm gonna say this is the 41 Hawthorne top in blue. Cane surplice top, light blue, medium, $44. And this looks like a nice, fun top. I like it. Kind of has, this kind of crisscross wrap look, which I always like. I think it's usually flattering, but we'll see. All right, and then we have these STS blue jeans that she had talked about in the video. It says mid-rise. I kind of was wanting some high-rise jeans. For some reason, I can't seem to get my hands on high-rise jeans lately, but we'll try these on and see how they are. The last item that we have are the shoes. Report footwear, rowdy sneaker. The shoes always come in this little shoe bag. Oh, cute. These are cute. I think they're cute. Kind of a little tie-dye gray slip-on sneaker. I think these are super fun. Cute. So I'm excited to try those on. These are retailed at $49, which isn't bad at all for a sneaker. Anyways, that's it, guys, for the unboxing, and I'm going to go try these on for you real quick, and I will be right back. All right, guys, so the first item that I have is the 41 Hawthorne cane surplice top. It is in light blue. It is a size medium, and it is $44 is what it's retailing for. Has this V-neck, kind of a wrap style in the front. Very comfortable. I think a very nice top that's casual but stylish. So you guys let me know what you think of this top. And then we have on the STS light blue neve skinny jean, which you're probably not going to be able to see as well. These retail for $49, which is a great price for jeans. Okay, guys, I tried to angle this down so you can kind of see. It's really hard to get shoes in a video, but while you're actually showing the whole outfit, but hopefully get the gist of it here. These are the Report footwear rowdy sneaker, light gray. They are size 8.5, $49, which is a good price. And they're comfortable. They're really easy to slip on. I think they're super cute without being too young for my age. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Okay, guys, so I'm back with the cardigan. This is the Love Ellie Anna double pocket open cardigan. I did just kind of go ahead and throw it on with that 41 Hawthorne shirt. I personally am not sure about all the stripes and stripes. So you'll have to tell me what you think about that. I think she did have it paired with this in the letter or the note. I'm not sure, I can't remember. But anyways, here is the cardigan on. It's comfortable, it's nice, gives you just a little bit of warmth between seasons. An easy thing to throw on. I love cardigans. So, and I actually do like the stripes on this cardigan. So let me know what you guys think. All right, guys, I'm back with the last item. It is the Chaser Sarli Textured Hoodie Knit Top. And this retails for $58, and it says it is in light pink. I really think it has a kind of a lavender tint, but yeah, I mean, I would say light pink, but a little tad on the purplish side. Just a hoodie. It does have this kind of like waffle weave texture to it. It's a super comfy casual top. You guys let me know what you think. I think that Megan did an awesome job with this fix, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do. And also, I did look at the price, the total price, and this is honestly one of the cheapest fixes that I have received in a very long time. So, if I were to keep all 5. So, the hoodie is nice and loose. And the texture, it's real lightweight. You guys let me know what you think. So that is it for this Stitch Fix. This is February's. So the total for this box, if you were to get everything without the discount, is $248, but with a 25% discount, it makes it $186. Okay, so $186 for the entire box. If I were to keep everything. You guys let me know, what do you think? Is this a 5 for 5? I think Megan did an excellent job. Just let me know down in the comments below what you would keep and whether you think it was a 5 for 5. All right, guys, that's it for today, and I will see you next time. Bye. Chaser Sarli Textured, if I can talk today. I'm just gonna kind of try to show you. The whole